Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing how I use neon pigments. This is a beginners friendly tutorial, very easy and very quick step to use neon pigment. So the video is going to be basically focused on my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind camera and do my face and my brows, and then when it comes to my eye area I'm going to come back and show you guys how I use neon pigment. So I'm going to be using this benign clown white eyeshadow base. Normally if I were to do other eyeshadow works that don't involve neon pigments, I would use a different type of eyeshadow primer or base, but because of this tutorial I'm using the benign clown white, and it's a very thick mixture. So immediately when I'm using it, I like to immediately I place it, I like to blend straight on because it's really thick, so you can't just leave it, because if it dries there it's going to be a bit difficult to work your eyeshadow on that area. So while placing my benign, I am going to be blending it in. So I'm going to be warming up my crease, and I'm going to be using these two colors from this eyeshadow palette that I have. I really love this blush palette. I like to use colors in there to warm up my crease because they blend into the skin so smoothly. So I'm going to be using that to warm up my crease, as well as blend any harsh lines left from my eyeshadow base application. So I'm going to be going ahead with my neon pigment, and I'll be using this purple color. I got it from a makeup store. It's Brandless. So I'm just going to be taking a blending brush. The blending brush I'm using here is from a Nigerian brand called Ladyveebeauty, and I'm going to be taking that fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be taking the neon pigment and placing on my eyelid in a dabbing motion. I am not spreading, I'm not blending it, I am just placing it there. Once I place it, then I go ahead to blend just a little bit to cover the areas not properly filled with the pigments, but I am just putting that in a dabbing motion. So after applying my pigments, I'm just going to be blending it in with the color I had applied on my crease earlier, trying to blend both together. So I'm going to be blending that seamlessly before I go and do the other side of my eyes. Now I'm applying the eyeshadow base on my waterline, doing the same thing I did for my eyelid. I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow base first and then put on the neon pigments. So carefully I am placing the neon pigment on the area I have applied the eyeshadow base, because I've done my makeup and skin before doing that, so you want to be careful when applying eyeshadow whatsoever so you don't ruin your makeup along the way. Now I'm using this pigments from a Nigerian brand. It's this is Twinkle by YglamBeauty. It's a two-tone pigment, so that it looks white, but then when applied it comes out purplish or lilac, so to say. So I'm just going to be applying my glitter primer first on my tear duct, and then when I do that I am going to just take a little amount of the pigment and place on the area I applied the glitter glue. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna be taking this Milani powder in the shade medium to dust off the setting powder I applied under my eyes to catch out fallouts. I'm just gonna be blending that out with my Milani powder, and after that I am going to be blending all over my face, just using a brush basically and blending everything I have on my face together. Then I am taking this baked bronzer blush from Milani as well. It's a really beautiful blush in the sense that it has not just color, but then it has this kind of subtle glow to it. I'm going to be applying that, and next I'll be using one of my favorite blushes. This one is from NARS Cosmetics and is in the shade Desire. I'm just going to be applying that on the apple of my cheeks. I love applying blush. It makes me happy. I don't know why, but applying blush is one of the nicest things I love to do on my face. Next I'll be taking my highlighter from the Makeup Factory Pro Highlighter palette. I love this palette because the highlighters in there are so smooth, they blend into the skin easily, and they don't give any harsh lines whatsoever after placing them. So to blend all I have done, I'm going to be using the setting spray from Kiss Beauty, and I did my lips off camera and then I sprayed my face again with the setting spray. I love the setting spray because it rehydrates all I have done. My face doesn't look caked up, it looks refreshed, and then I'm just laying my edges and putting finishing touches. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this mini tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, share and comment, and subscribe. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.